Hey, Matt from Racks Galore, and this is the Yakima OverNOut 270. It's a wraparound awning, giving you coverage down the whole side of your car and even wrapping around to the back. It is perfect for base camps, for family trips or picnics, or just a family that needs a little bit extra space to move. It's made from a 420D poly cotton canvas, which has a waterproof PU coating, so it's great for both the sun and the rain. And with Yakima's signature topo print across the top of the canvas, it gives it a really stylish and unique look when it's all set up. The reinforced support arms, adjustable legs, and included guy ropes and pegs keep everything stable, even on uneven ground and in windy conditions. So you get reliable shade wherever you pull up. So the awning does come with all the bracketry and hardware required to fit it to your roof racks, and it will fit majority of roof rack systems. The awning also weighs 21 kilos, which is something to keep in mind when you're thinking about your roof's total load rating. And so that is the Yakima OverNOut 270. Big coverage, solid construction, and ideal for anyone who just needs a little extra shade.